Good morning, friends. Good morning, all the businessmen and all the intellectual persons. As you know, I am Mr. Prakash from the Zumosun group, and we are here to grow for the business. Today, we are here to discuss about the Zumosun work engine. What is the Zumosun work engine? Zumosun feel the problem in the society. Zumosun feel the problem in the business. Zumosun feel the problem in the economy of the nation. So our founders and our organization identify the problems and want to create something that is a globalized solution which will give information as an input, and those information will be iterates, articulates and transform, that is the work formation, in a useful output which will be easily available, which will provide the strength of every Indian citizens to grow their skills, to grow their living standards, to take the jobs, to have a globalized standards skills, so he or she will be fit for every industry. As our organization feel that 85% of the population of the nation is not fit for the industry, and it is the big problem, big problem for our nation. And our research is also said from the various institutions and the statisticals department that Indians, 92% of the businesses are unincorporated. 92% businesses are unincorporated. We can say they are not a legal entity. Only 8% businesses are legal entity and the organized sector. As the industry said, 92% businesses are come under the unorganized sector. And what is unorganized sector? Which are not following under the legal entities. So that's friend, these problem statements will emphasis to us, will give the power to create something that will push the nation economy, that will push the youth, that will push the living standard of the nation. We are coming filled with solution. Our founders will establish a system, that is the artificial wisdom. Artificial wisdom is the final stage of any consciousness. As you listen, as you know, as we know, every person listen about the artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a technology where information and skills are articulated by the automation, by some medium, and the work and task performed automatically. But there are some problems. What are the problems? They don't have the wisdom. And what is the wisdom? Wisdom is a system. Wisdom is a consciousness where a right information, right skills, right intelligence present at right time, at right place, at right intention and knowledge. So my dear friends, as we include that right time, right place, right intention, right motive is the important for behind every task, every work. If we do not have the right intention, right place, right intelligence, then the meaning of the work, the meaning of the skill will not be equivalent to the efficiency and the quality. So our organizations is working on the artificial wisdom. The artificial wisdom is a technologies which will articulate the informations, skills, knowledge, intelligence, emotions, experience and expertization. It is called in our term is the ISKIWEEE family, and give some important wisdomful work output. And this in technology is a reform everywhere. We are organize the global work, and that is the work engine which will perform all the previous steps on a one platform and give the a systematic organized way the output to learn and do the work. We want to provide the job to every person of the global, every person of the universe. And the job needs the skills, right skills. So artificial wisdom create the right skills, and that will accessible to everyone on our platform. It is the artificial wisdom, and under the artificial wisdom there are the some another technologies like the deep artificial wisdom, like the work engine, like the search engine, like the discovery engine, which provide the systematically a work as skills on a single platform. That is the artificial intelligence. Thank you very much, gentlemen. This is the Zumosun group platform. If you are interested in the artificial wisdom, if you want to increase your artificial wisdom, if you want to boost your skills, if you want to boost your business, if you want to increase your standards of life, then join to us. We are here to boost the living standards. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.